Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Jira dashboards without breaking workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Jira dashboards without breaking workflows, begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the dashboard you wish to uninstall. Click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Select the delete option from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete in the confirmation dialog box. Next, review any linked filters or gadgets that might still be active. Access the Filters section in the main navigation menu. Identify and modify any filters that were tied to the deleted dashboard. Ensure that none are reliant on the data or settings from the uninstalled dashboard. If necessary, create new filters as replacements to maintain workflow functionality. Proceed to check your project settings to ensure continued alignment with processes. Navigate to the project where the dashboard was utilized. Review the status of team workflows to confirm that everything operates smoothly. Communicate with team members about any changes to the dashboards. Encourage feedback to identify any potential disruptions caused by the uninstall. Monitor workflows for a short period to ensure no issues arise post-deletion. Make any necessary adjustments based on team input and ongoing observations. By following these steps, you can successfully uninstall Jira dashboards while preserving essential workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.